Minecraft card game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to earn the proper amount of points, from 24 points in a 2-player game down to 16 points in a 4-player game. Shuffle all the resource cards and deal them into 5 face-down piles. Flip over the top card of each. Shuffle the craft cards and deal them into 4 even piles with the crafting side up. Discard the 1 remaining craft card to the box. It will not be used. Give each player a reserve card holder. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you may perform 2 actions. There are 3 types of actions: mine, craft, reserve. To mine, take the top resource card from any resource pile of your choice and place it in front of you. If ever a resource pile runs out of cards, immediately take the discard pile and shuffle it into a new resource pile. Resource cards have a number and symbol that indicates how many and what resource that card is worth. If you mine a resource and reveal a creeper underneath, then every player must discard a resource card of their choice. Then discard the creeper. If you mine a TNT, then take the top card of all the other piles, pick 2 resource cards to keep, and discard the TNT and the rest to a face-down discard pile. Exposing a creeper through TNT does not activate it, and it is immediately discarded. To craft, discard resource cards that match the resources needed on the chosen craft card recipe in front of you to the face-down discard pile. If you overpay for crafting, you do not get any change. Wild cards represent any single resource of your choice. The craft card has a symbol showing you what you are crafting as well as how many points that card is worth. After crafting, collect the craft card and flip it over so it is tool side up in front of you. Each tool has a special ability you can use one time. After using it, flip that tool over to indicate it. You still score points for the tool. Using a tool's ability does not count as an action. The tool abilities are as follows. Sword. Use in response to a creeper. You do not discard a card. Shovel. Force another player of your choice to lose 1 action on their next turn. Pickaxe. Give yourself 1 extra action this turn. Axe. Give yourself 2 woods for free when crafting an item. Hoe. Discard the top card of every resource pile. Exposing a creeper this way does not activate it, and it is discarded immediately. To reserve, take the top craft card from any pile and place it in your holder. No other player may craft that item, and you are allowed to craft that item at a later turn. You may not reserve a craft card if you currently have a card already in your reserve. The first player to reach the required number of points wins.